Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best action camera under $50 available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have YOLANSON 4K Action Camera. YOLANSON Action Camera is built-in 3-axis stabilization gyro keep the electronic image stabilization in place. This eyes stabilization technology resists collisions jitter or camera tilts when used, ensuring clear and stable images and videos. It's really a pity if the photo is blurred and can't be focused due to jitter. It comes with this eyes technology you can save some times and won't miss the picture you want. When shooting video the sound is often the most intoxicating. The external mic we will be able to record the laughter of family and friends and help us to listen carefully to the sounds of nature. It comes with the solid and durable waterproof case. You can dive into water up to 131 feet 40 meters. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens allows you to capture more of your surroundings. At number 4 we have Play Zoom Action Camera. You can allow your kid to enjoy taking photos and videos everywhere, while you don't have to worry about the device getting damaged. It comes with hands-free functionality, a waterproof case and a mountable for bikes, skateboards, backpacks, and helmets. The GOCAM is the perfect partner for any adventure. It is made of high-quality non-toxic plastic. This digital camera for kids is made to withstand accidental drops, falls, and can be taken underwater up to 90 feet. The easy-to-push buttons and the vibrant colors are an added perk to this waterproof camcorder. The GOCAM Action Camera for Kids takes high-quality 12MP photos and 1080p Full HD videos. It has an amazing wide-angle lens, a 2-inch LCD screen and built-in mic and speaker to let your kids record all their fun times in high resolution. At number 3 we have Sawrounder Action Camera. The sports waterproof camera is equipped with 12MP 1080p Full HD 2.0 inches LCD screen and 90-degree wide-angle lens with up to 30 fps smoothness. That's giving you a clear visual enjoyment. That's allowing you to capture wonderful moments. That's making it difficult to take pictures, confident photos and videos. His underwater camera is designed to withstand extreme environments and is equipped with a durable waterproof case. The camera is waterproof to 30 meters/98 feet. The waterproof case allows you to use this underwater camera to shoot fascinating water sports and other outdoor activities and capture the beautiful pictures of the world in a new way. At number 2 we have Explore. You can make video, blog, water, play sport. Multiple ways to use. You can wear it, mount it. You can explore one HD action camera with Wi-Fi. This waterproof case resistant up to 30 meters 120 degrees wide angle lens 8 GB included micro flash card up to 32 GB. At number 1 we have generic 4K action camera. It comes with Full HD 1080p and 140-degree wide-angle camera with zoom. Also takes high-quality videos with audio. This Full HD 1080p sports action camera offers affordable high-definition digital video and audio recording and high-quality photo capture for hobbyists of all ages. It comes with a detachable and rechargeable Li-ion battery that is fast charging and long-lasting. Its battery can be charged via the included USB cable connecting camera to either a universal power adapter or a PC or a car charger. It is designed for use in waterproof case. It can record water sports and diving activities and all kinds of outdoor sports in any weather. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best action camera under $50 for your need.